Sweet. Looking better already, isn't it? Let's do the other side. And that is how you upgrade your R50 Pathfinder by using Junkyard parts. So really quickly, before I get into today's video, I was just cleaning up my workbench the other day, and I'm not sure which one of you were asking about this particular stuff in the past. It's got to be at least a year or more at this point. A subscriber was asking if I had any hardware for a spare tire carrier, specifically the mounting hardware. Here I actually have a complete set. I have all of the brackets and all the nuts and bolts, and we even have an ajar switch. Sadly, I don't have the pigtail for that. But yeah, I was cleaning up the workbench. This one in particular, this full set, I actually had sitting in this plastic bag. I just grabbed this at the junkyard. I want to say I grabbed this about a year ago because it was just there, and it was like, you know what? I know this is something that for some of us is hard to come by. Sometimes you'll find a spare tire carrier. Meanwhile, all of this stuff is gone. And then over here, we have some other miscellaneous pieces. We have a striker here, a jar switch, and some miscellaneous bolts. For that young man that was asking about this stuff, I can't remember your name. If you're still interested, go ahead and DM me on Instagram. A link to my Instagram page can be found in the description of this video. Again, this is the complete set right here. This is just some secondary miscellaneous stuff for anyone that might be interested in that also. Yeah, if you're still looking for this stuff, let me know. If not, I'm just gonna probably sell it on eBay. All right, so now for the real reason why we're here today. Here we have some window rain guards for a R50 Pathfinder. Now, this isn't new. I actually picked these up at the junkyard a couple of months ago. For those that have been following my junkyard videos, you guys would have seen me pull this stuff. Now, nothing overly special about these. I just like them because it's something that I'll be able to add to my vehicle to make it look a little bit better. This is going to be the beginning of a series that I've been thinking about making for the last couple of weeks. So the plan is, and the challenge is, to show you guys how one can upgrade their R50 Pathfinder by using only junkyard parts. Now, yeah, these are used. There's nothing wrong with them. They're not broken. They are a bit dirty. What we're going to do is get the old 3M adhesive cleaned off, and then we're going to go ahead and get these slapped onto my R50. So stick around. Now, I do have 3M adhesive. This is some 3M double-sided tape that I've had left over from old projects. I've had this tape for years, and it works great. And I've also used it to fix other things that you guys might have seen on my R50 in the past. One thing in particular was the Pathfinder emblem there on the trunk lid. Mine had fell off in the past, and to get it stuck back on, I actually used that 3M tape. The SE badge that's supposed to be on my trunk lid, that fell off as well. If we have time, we're going to try and get that guy replaced also. So yeah, we're just going to remove the old adhesive and go from there. I have a razor blade, although I don't feel like dealing with that right now. So I'm going to use this knife to just gently peel this 3M tape off of these rain guards. So we're just going to take the blade and just gently grab and peel. Just like so. So I'm probably just going to put you guys on a time lapse. Again, this isn't something that's overly complicated. You just want to take your time and get this stuff off. See, it comes right off. And then we have some isopropyl alcohol, 91%. We're going to use that guy to clean the surfaces after we get the 3M tape off. right, guys, so now that we have all of the 3M double-sided tape removed, we're gonna go ahead and now clean these guys off with some isopropyl alcohol. We just want it cleaned enough to promote the adhesion. So we're just giving this a liberal wipe down here. And yeah, we'll do it on both sides. Not a big deal. Just want to get dirt and debris off. Looking really good already. So there's one.
Perfect.
So here's my SE badge. Most of the adhesive was already removed. The majority of the adhesive itself is still on the back of my R50. So we'll scrape that off with some Goop Gone. So what I want to do is start with the rear first. And the reason why is because they're straight and it's a lot easier to just deal with these. Now, the tape that I'm using, it's not the thickest, it's really thin. So I might have to double up. It should work. So all I'm gonna do is just come in here and start peeling this. Now, naturally, when I start peeling it, the actual backing portion is gonna wanna come off. And that's where I wanna be really, really careful. And I'm just gonna lay it down as straight as possible. And yeah, we're definitely gonna have to double up. I can see it now. And again, that's fine. It's not a deal breaker. The main concern that I have is having enough tape. Hopefully I have enough. And again, because the tape wants to separate from the backing itself, it's not gonna be perfectly laid, but you just want to keep it as straight as possible. Just do your best to keep it straight. Not that anyone's gonna see it once it's on the truck anyway. You still want to try and do a good job. So I'm gonna get my scissors and I'm gonna cut that guy right there. I'm gonna cut it off right here at the end, like so. Again, it's not gonna be 100% straight, but just try and get it as straight as you can. And again, we're gonna put another run here. There it goes. I'm just showing you guys this one as an example. And then what we'll do is then take you guys out to the R50 and get everything installed. Alright guys, so here we are with my R50. We're gonna go ahead and wipe down the driver's side here with some isopropyl alcohol. This is mainly why you want to wipe that off. See how dirty this rag is? And what we're going to do is work on the rear driver's side first. I'm going to peel off the cover here for the tape. I'm going to take our time and position this where we need it and then stick it down. And in my case, I want to be very careful because my R50 is kind of hot right now. It's in the sun. But yeah, it looks really good. Like really, really good. Same thing. You want to get a general idea of where you want it to sit, and then just gently sit it in that area, and then commit. Sweet, looking better already, isn't it? Let's do the other side. And that's what you want to do. You just want to take your thumb and just run it along this guy and apply some pressure there. And then the 3M tape, it'll do the rest for you. So yeah, guys, there you have it. And that is how you upgrade your R50 Pathfinder by using Junkyard parts. This is one of many videos to come on this particular subject matter. As you guys know, majority of the things that's on my rig were sourced in the junkyard. This particular series is just mainly focusing on using junkyard parts to upgrade my R50. All right, so we were able to clean SE badge location. I did that off camera because my camera keeps shutting off due to the immense heat out here. Here's our SE badge. It's all prepped and ready to go. We're gonna get that guy installed now. So I'm gonna take my time and just line this up. Boom. Good as new. And that's not going anywhere. So I'm really happy with the rain guard install. As you guys can see, it was quite simple. The hardest part of this particular mod was just getting the old 3M tape removed and getting it prepped, and of course, getting it put on. The installation part was quite simple. Anyone can do it. And again, you can find these on Amazon or even eBay. I think when I was looking on Amazon, these were going for about 40, 45 bucks. They might be a little bit more now since I guess they've gotten a little bit more popular since I've been looking into them. But again, this is just something that you can do in about 30 minutes or so. Even less time to be spent if you do buy these brand new. If you're interested in getting some of these for your R50, I'll be sure to stick a link in the description of this video to where you can find some for your rig. Again, these were used. I spotted these at the junkyard. They were in perfect shape. And I was like, why not? So there you have it. Yeah, I'm quite happy with this. So if you found this video helpful and if you've enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a like. And while you're at it, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. And once again, my name is Chris, and thanks for stopping by the Camper Dan Files. And until next time, keep using your Pathfinder as a Pathfinder, on or off the pavement.